Good evening. Thanks for giving me a chance to send a message as you celebrate the Muldoon Awards. The Muldoon Center at John Carroll gives students unique opportunities to develop and enhance the kind of skills that will make them the entrepreneurs of tomorrow. It's also ranked the best undergraduate entrepreneurship program in Ohio by Bloomberg Businessweek. I congratulate John Carroll University's president, Father Robert Niehoff, the board of directors, dedicated deans, and the faculty members for this great accomplishment. And all of you participating in this event tonight are to be commended for helping support the continued development of the Muldoon Center for Entrepreneurship. Congratulations to Ed Crawford, my friend, and the Harrington family for being honored tonight with the John J. Call Award for Creative Leadership and the Edward M. Muldoon Award for Civic Entrepreneurship. Tonight's honorees exemplify the best in entrepreneurship and have distinguished themselves through their outstanding commitment to philanthropy. Ed, Ron, Nancy, and family, your contributions have made Cleveland and the state of Ohio a better place to do business. And more than that, you've made our community a better place to live. Thank you all for your contributions to Northeast Ohio. I congratulate and thank you on your achievement and all that you do for our great state. Have a great night.